Yes, hello guys. Good afternoon, Israel. Good evening, Pilipinas. So, ito ngayon guys, ang aming view dito sa may aming terrace. Ayan. So, as you can see, ito ang aming building. Ayan. Dito yan lang guys, sa loob ng compound. Ito. Pare-pareho ang ating building. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang garden. Ayan. Napaka-relaxing at saka fresh ang hangin dito ngayon sa ating terrace. Kasi guys, tapos ng spring, ngayon ay summer na. So, napakainit sa araw, pero pagdating sa pahapon ay medyo malamig ang simoy ng hangin. So, mag-change weather na talaga tayo ngayon. Ayan, summer time. Napakainit sa araw at napakalamig naman pagdating ng hapon. So, ngayon naman ang mataas na building. So, ayan lang guys ang aking napakaikling video. So, update lang tayo kay Lolo. Ayan. So, maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Kita-kita kits guys sa sunod ko pang mga videos. Maraming salamat guys. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Good morning, good morning. We are here in the workplace, in my workplace. So you can see guys, this is the entrance. Yeah, and then this is the information. So this is the hallway to the other building. Ayan. And then as you can see, very nice place. And then this is lady day playing something. So guys, this is a big building. So just we are here in the lobby. They have A and B. So as you can see guys, just we sit here, and then they have also fruit here, terrace, also sham. This is a big building. So, just we are here in the lobby. Ayan guys, as you can see. So, this is a very simple and short video. So, thanks guys for watching. Thank you guys. And this is my Shalom.